Welcome and greetings from Finland. This presentation introduces the Pallet Master Pallet Dispenser, a smart solution designed to make pallet handling safer, faster, and more efficient. Let's begin with an overview of what Pallet Master can offer. Here is Pallet Master in brief. The company was established in 2023 and is based in Orimatila, Finland. The solution itself has been in the market for more than 2 decades as part of a leading conveyor system provider in Finland, and it now continues as a standalone product with its own strategic direction. All Pallet Master products are manufactured with Finnish care, using high-quality components and supported by reliable local partners, including trusted suppliers for materials. The company remains committed to delivering exceptional customer service and aims to meet and exceed client expectations. Here are some of the key challenges the material handling industry is facing today. Manual lifting continues to create physical strain for workers. Workplace safety risks remain high in environments where pallets are handled by hand. And inefficient pallet handling processes slow down operations and reduce productivity. These challenges lead to higher costs and increased safety concerns, which is why automation has become essential for improving efficiency and achieving long-term savings. Here are the key reasons to choose Pallet Master. First, improved ergonomics help reduce physical strain and make daily pallet handling easier for operators. Second, enhanced work safety minimizes the risk of injuries and creates a safer working environment. Third, the system can lift more than just pallets, offering flexibility for different materials and handling needs. Fourth, it supports a clean and organized workplace by keeping pallets stacked neatly and efficiently. And finally, every unit is built with high-quality manufacturing standards, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. These are the main solutions offered under the Pallet Master product range. The electric Pallet Master pallet dispensers, including the half-pallet model, provide smooth and energy-efficient pallet handling. The pneumatic Pallet Master dispensers offer a reliable air-powered alternative for operations that prefer pneumatic systems. The Pallet Master 1 to 5 pallet dispensers are designed for flexible stacking and destacking needs, supporting different pallet quantities. And the Pallet Master inline dispensers integrate directly into automated lines, ensuring continuous and efficient pallet flow. The electric Pallet Master pallet dispensers, including the half-pallet model, provide fully automated loading and unloading at floor level. There are several operating options available. First, the fully automatic mode allows the machine to decide whether to stack or destack a pallet using its sensors and program. This intelligent self-triggering feature is unique to Pallet Master. Second, the machine can be set to operate only in loading or only in unloading mode. For example, in loading mode, it will take pallets into the machine one at a time. In both of these modes, the system handles 1 pallet per cycle. Third, when the machine is either completely empty or full, there is an option to stack or destack the entire pallet stack at once. A standard 230-volt electrical socket is all that is required for installation. These models are available with capacities of 15 or 25 pallets, with total weights ranging from 500 to 1,000 kilograms. More detailed specifications are shown in the chart on this slide. The pneumatic Pallet Master pallet dispensers offer the same operating modes as the electric models, including fully automatic operation, single pallet handling, and the option to stack or destack a full pallet stack when the machine is empty or full. The key difference is that this version operates with a compressed air supply, while still requiring a standard 230-volt electrical socket. These models are available with capacities of 15 or 25 pallets, and more detailed specifications are shown in the chart on this slide. The Pallet Master 1 to 5 pallet dispensers provide automated loading and unloading at floor level. These models allow handling between 1 and 5 pallets at a time. For example, if the machine is set to position 3, it will stack or destack 3 pallets in a single operation. This selection range can be adjusted from 1 to 5 pallets depending on the workflow. The fully automatic mode, single pallet handling, and the full stack option are all available in this model, offering the same intelligent operating features as the other Pallet Master dispensers. A standard 230-volt electrical socket is required for installation. These units are available with capacities of 15 or 25 pallets, and more detailed specifications are shown in the chart on this slide. Now, let's take a look at the Pallet Master inline pallet dispenser in action on the next slide. This section covers Pallet Master modified and customized solutions. Pallet Master pallet stackers are designed to fit most common pallet types, and thanks to their modular structure, they can be easily adapted for special pallets such as metal cages or plastic foldable boxes. Customization is straightforward. Side panels and additional protection barriers can be built using stainless steel or galvanized steel, depending on customer requirements. Color customization is also available. Along with our standard colors, RAL7024 and RAL3020, the equipment can be finished in customer-specified colors. If needed, the device can be fully matched to your company's brand colors, including the side panels and protection barriers. This section covers Pallet Master accessories. One of the key accessories is the forklift protection barrier set. This is an important safety feature designed to safeguard the photocells located at the bottom front corners of the machine. The barrier protects the pallet stacker from accidental collisions, especially from electric forklifts, helping maintain equipment stability and extending the machine's lifespan. Material options include stainless steel and other durable finishes, with customization available upon request. The standard color is RAL1023, but the barriers can also be supplied in customer-specified colors. This slide presents the key Pallet Master accessories, each designed to enhance safety, reliability, and overall machine performance. First, the overfill sensor prevents the machine from being overloaded by detecting when the pallet stack reaches its maximum height and stopping the operation automatically. Next, the safety extensions or walls provide additional protection for operators and the surrounding area by increasing the physical safety barrier around the machine. The signal beacon alerts operators and nearby personnel whenever the machine is in operation, improving awareness and workplace safety. The safety gate or fence prevents unauthorized access and protects operators by stopping pallet stacks from falling in front of the machine. Finally, the freeze guard ensures reliable operation of electric models in extreme cold conditions, down to -25 degrees Celsius. It includes integrated heating and a thermostat to maintain stable performance in freezing environments. All these accessories are shown on this slide, with indicators pointing to their installation locations on the machine. This section covers easy maintenance for both dealers and end customers. The basic checklist follows the official Pallet Master maintenance guide included in the documentation. The most important task is keeping the machine clean from wood and debris. The side panels are easy to open, allowing quick vacuum cleaning inside the unit. A regular visual inspection is recommended. Check for any signs of forklift collisions around the frame or protection barriers. Ensure all safety sensors are functioning correctly and properly aligned. Perform a routine emergency stop test to confirm the system reacts immediately. Finally, all components of the machine are available as spare parts directly from our factory, ensuring long-term serviceability and easy replacement when needed. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Pallet Master. For more information, you can reach us through our official channels. Our company address, full contact details, and the official website are listed on this slide. We look forward to supporting your material handling needs and helping you find the right Pallet Master solution for your operations.